Hello guys, welcome back to my channel AK Info. Today in this tutorial we will focusing on the various loops that are available in Python. So before I get started, please subscribe my channel and yes, don't forget to like, comment and share. Now what exactly loop means? In programming language, sometimes you need to repeat the statement. You have written a statement and maybe you need to repeat them. How you repeat them? You say of course there is a way. We can copy paste the same code multiple times. For example, let me print Python. So I want to print it one time. If I run this code, it's print once. If I print this two times, so what can I do this? We can simply copy paste to it. And we got it two times. What if I print Python 10 times? What will do now? Or what if I print Python 100 or 1000 times? Then what will do now? The best way to do it, applying a loop. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times. So Python have basically three types of loops: while, for and nested. We will look at all these loops one by one and I will explain you with example as well. So first we will have a look at while loop. While loop is basically used when you don't know how many iterations are required. Let me explain you with the help of an example. Here I want to print Python 5 times. First of all, we need a counter here for counting. For that, I will using here a variable as a and say a start with 1. Now here I can use while. It is a keyword and then you have to specify the condition. If the value of a is less than or equal to 5, then print Python. But print it for 5 times. Just increase the value of a. That means a equal to a plus 1. That's it. It is so simple. Now let me tell you what I have done here. I have defined a variable and I have initialized a value 1 here. After that I have used while loop in which I have given a condition and says that the value of a is less than or equal to 5 because I want to print it 5 times. The moment it becomes greater than 5, the control should be come out the loop. After that I have given a colon, a general syntax, and then I have written a print statement that will print the a value. After that I have increased the value of a by 1. Here is the loop's magic. Let me clear that. At first the value of a is 1, that's why it prints one time. After debugging, the value of a is become 2 now and it will check if the value of a, that means 2, is less than 5. Yes, and it will go ahead. Then it will print 2 times. Similarly, again after debugging, the value of a is become 3 now and it will check if the value of 3 is less than 5. Yes, and it will print 3 times. In this way the loop will continue. The moment it becomes greater than 5, the control should be come out from the loop. So let us see whether it works or not, and you can see that it works. Now I will give you one more example. I want to print 1 to 10. For that I want to change a little bit on this program. If a less than or equal to 10, because I want to print it 1 to 10, then print the value of a. So let us see whether it works or not. At first run it and as you can see that it works. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. This is just a very small example guys. In this way you can do any type of while loop. Now we will have a look at for loop. It has the ability to iterate over the items of any sequence such as a list or a string. Let me explain you with the help of an example. In for loop it normally works with sequence. So we have defined this list. A equal to square bracket India, comma, Australia, comma, USA. So this is my list which contains India, Australia and USA. Now I am going to define a for loop and over here I will define the variable say as a for country in a colon print country. So I have declared a list and the name of the list is a. Now that a list contains the elements which are India, Australia and USA. After that I have defined a for loop which says for variable name country in a colon. So this will give me the range. As you know that in the a list there are only 3 countries which are India, Australia and USA. In for loop I know that I will take 3 iterations. This is the main difference between while and for loop. After that print country, the control moves out the loop. That's it. It's so simple. So let us see whether it works or not. And you can see that it works. Now I will give you one more example. I want to print 1 to 10. For that, we have used a range. In range, if you specify to 10, what it's mean? Means it starts from 0 and end at 9. So let's check it. I'm going to run it. In total, we have 10 values, that is 0 to 9. But if you want to print 1 to 10, then you have to specify 1, 11. Now check it. In total, we have 10 values, but it prints from 1 to 10. Now I want to print 10 to 1. Then you have to specify 10, 0, minus 1. Now check it. In total, we have 10 values. So I hope you all are enjoying this tutorial. Please give the feedback to the comment section and press the like button. Thank you.